Welcome to this journey of inner peace and healing through the ancient Hawaiian practice of Ho'oponopono. In this video, we will guide you through a simple yet powerful technique that can help you release negative energy, restore balance, and invite healing into your life. Ho'oponopono is a traditional Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. The word itself means to make right or to correct. It's based on the belief that our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. By cleansing ourselves of negative thoughts, emotions, and memories, we can bring healing not only to ourselves but also to the world around us. At the heart of Ho'oponopono are four simple but profound phrases: "I'm sorry," "Please forgive me," "Thank you," and "I love you." These words carry the power to heal old wounds, release trapped energy, and restore harmony. Each phrase is a step in the process of healing. Together, they form a mantra that can cleanse the mind, body, and spirit. Let's begin our Ho'oponopono practice. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Allow yourself to relax. Now, bring to mind any pain, discomfort, or imbalance you are experiencing, whether it's physical, emotional, or spiritual. As you focus on this, repeat the four phrases after me. I'm sorry for any part of me that has contributed to this pain. Please forgive me for holding on to this discomfort or allowing it to persist. Thank you for the lessons this experience has brought me and for the opportunity to heal. I love you for the healing that is now taking place for myself and for the universe. As you continue to repeat these phrases, feel the energy within you begin to shift. Imagine the pain or discomfort dissolving, replaced by a warm, healing light. This light represents love, forgiveness, and gratitude, the essence of Ho'oponopono. Allow this light to fill every part of your being, bringing healing to your mind, body, and soul. Know that as you heal, you are also contributing to the healing of the world around you. Ho'oponopono is a practice you can return to whenever you need to release negativity or invite healing into your life. The more you practice, the more you'll notice a profound shift in your well-being. Thank you for joining me in this healing journey. If you found peace and comfort in this practice, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on health, healing, and spiritual growth. Remember, healing begins within. Until next time, take care of yourself and embrace the power of love and forgiveness.